And I found these goodies. Oh, look at that. I found these. First time I find one of the blue ones here. I never had a blue one. First time I get one. So, up. 510 Datsun Rally. Got the nice tempos going on there. It's a nice piece. Nice piece. And I got two of them. I also found the NASA. Which I'm gonna pick up. This is kind of like a trend right now. They even have clothing. This is a nice pickup truck. Not pickup truck, delivery truck. Have those. They also have this one right here, the little Mitsubishi, and they have the old school police car. And of course, look at that. Skyliney, baby. Look at the Skyliney. Skyline is heat. They got the Pontiac Firebird. Look at the rims, how deep. Look at the rims on that. And they got the trucks. They got the GTR with the flat black and gold rims. That's a thing to see right there, man. Look at that. Look at that. And yeah, that's it. That's about it. I picked up the Datsuns. I'm taking those with me. Pick those up. So that's it. I'm taking these. All right, guys. Until then, happy hunting and God bless.